Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to use Memoji in Messages on a Mac. You may use Memojis on your Mac just like on iPhone and iPads. To do this, launch Messages for Mac OS. Open the message thread where you want to use Memojis and next, click on the app drawer located next to the typing field. Now, this will bring up the context menu which is normally used to attach images, and select Memoji stickers. If you're already created a Memoji before on your iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch, it will show up here. You can start using your existing Memojis as stickers right away. To create a new Memoji on your Mac, click on the triple dot icon as shown here. You may see a plus icon instead if you've never made one. Next, choose New Memoji from the drop-down menu to continue. This will open the Memoji editor in a dedicated panel. Just customize your digital avatar according to your liking and click on Done to save your changes and create the Memoji. It's that simple. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.